I opened this tech channel to actually help people mostly in my country, in South Africa, to actually help, like, cause people think PCs are expensive, things are expensive when you're looking at the other stuff. This channel, bro, I love this channel, but the reason why I haven't been uploading is because I want the highest. I want to make the video perfect, like the editing. So it's like I never faced this before with like channels, because it's like when I first created my channel, I was just uploading. I didn't care. I uploaded, like, let's say I upload now, I upload after 5 months. It was an odd thing of when I get data, I upload. But on this, when I started strong on this too, because I was motivated from the other channels. But it's been 3 months since I uploaded on this, and time flies. So I've been trying my best, because I'm always like, video gotta be high quality, video gotta be better, it gotta be perfect, it gotta be 100%. Because I'm here watching type of like content creators, tech content creators, Mr. Who's the Boss, Toasty Bros, and all them other tech, and they have like fancy editing, their things look nice, and it just demotivates me, because I wanna do broad content that's high, but I wanna make it high quality. I've been saying, okay, I will try to edit. I've been trying to edit, and look at it now, it's been a whole 3 months. I forgot the main thing about creating a YouTube channel or doing something. You learn each and every day. If you're not doing something, if you're not getting stronger, you're getting weaker. Me procrastinating and not creating the content actually makes me much more weaker than I was, because within these 3 months, if I just uploaded at least one video per week, I would have like gotten better as far as editing, getting an audience right, and everything. I do have a lot of ideas for this, but I feel like there is no such thing as a perfect video. I just need to just do it. So this is just an opening video. Sorry if the upcoming videos would be not like up to like high pro standards, but bear with me. I'm trying my best. I'm trying to make this understandable. This is like a new channel, and this channel, bro, I just want to help people with this channel, you feel me? But yeah, I will start uploading on this, and I will try my best, because trying is better than nothing. I haven't done anything in the whole 3 months. So it's like, yeah guys, expect more content on this if you wanna see anything, bro, and you can check the other videos. I just had to get that off my chest, bro. I just had to let you know the reason why I haven't uploaded is because I wanted high quality. I wanted my video to be perfect. I forgot there is no perfect thing in the world. All you have to do, you try again and again and again and again, until one day you win. It's gonna be like overnight success. So not giving up. I will try to improve one thing per upload, like per newest upload. I will try to improve something, thumbnail, retention or something, just trying to be better on this. But yeah, I thank y'all for watching. If you're new to the channel and you love tech, especially if you're from South Africa, wanna learn about new stuff, just subscribe, and I'ma catch y'all next time. Peace.